Alright guys, so we're meeting somebody, go camping, fridge freezer's all set, ready to go, loaded up. That's it, we're ready to go. Alright guys, let's hit the road. I don't know whether she's gonna like it or not. We have just turned off exit 260. We're now heading up into the mountains past a bit of a horrible accident, guy on a motorbike, and I feel for that because I ride bikes myself, so yeah. Now it's starting to rain. Don't know if you guys can see the mountains or not on the cloud, but storms are moving in, which is actually a good thing. It's going to help all the wildfires that are going on, so that's positive. Person here overtaking me in the BMW. They try to cut me up just now, so yeah, they just cut up that person. I don't know whether you saw it or not. Yeah, that person in the BMW, if you're watching my channel, shame on you. details ahead. There's a popo. Oh, sorry, I'm yawning. There's a popo. Yeah, say hi to the popo. That's a sheriff. Yep, sneaky. Sitting there waiting for people to come down the hill. Shame on him. Clouds are starting to go now. My ears keep on popping. Can't wait till we get to camp. Got another... Oof. Oh, we're going to be arriving at 5 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock right now. So. Oh. The sheriff is going to stop this guy here, I think. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to keep the camera rolling so we can have a bit of fun here. And he's going to light him up here in a minute, because he's right up his posterior. Yep, there you go. You just lit him up. And there's a state trooper on the left there to me. Yep, there you go. That's what happens when you are stupid. And don't think that guy is very happy. Oh, I shouldn't laugh, but hey, the way people drive up in these mountains, yeah. I think he deserved that, because I saw him come hurtling down the hill. I saw the cop pull out straight away. So he must have been doing a good 10 over. Because they don't worry about people doing like 3-4 miles an hour over. Oh guys, look at that view. Oh yeah. Look at that view. Wow. This, well, let me clean the windshield here. This is not doing it justice. But it's absolutely gorgeous. Over in the left-hand lane. Oh yeah. Nice road surface. They've just redone all the surface on the road. Yeah, give it a year and it's going to be torn up again. Pretty cool. What do you think, Alec?
Yeah.
That's it. Sunshine's back out again. That's what Colorado does. 1 minute sunshine in, next minute is torrential rain. Okay, viewers, we are about to turn off.
In 0.5 miles, veer right onto County Road 60.
Right on cue. That's funny. Yeah, I got Nikki all the way up there. I just now had to reach out to her on the GMRS. So I kind of lost her there for a minute. But here we go. We're turning off.
Veer right onto County Road 60.
Cool. Oh, coming in hot. Oh boy. Right.
Continue for 3 miles.
Okay. Now we're on dirt road. The road that the Jeep loves. Oh, it's really nice. Sorry about all the noise, guys. But can't help it. I haven't aired down. Oh, washboard. Yep. As long as my tablet don't fall off, I'm good. Okay. Oh yeah.
Again,
guys gonna air down?
I was going to get up here a little bit before we air down. We got like 4 miles to go. I don't think it gets too rough.
Okay, cool.
Up to you though. If you want to stop now and air down, we can.
You guys got a compressor, right?
Not one big enough to do your tires.
Yeah, I've got an ARB twin compressor in the back, but I haven't rigged it up yet. God dang it, I should have rigged it up, but that's all good.
Rig it up when we get up there.
There you go. Alright, so guys, sorry about all that noise. As you can hear, they're going to be airing down here in a minute, and I'm like, Jesus, sorry, blasphemy there. Yeah, I've got a vehicle right behind me, and yeah, as you heard, I have not rigged up my ARB air compressor yet, so this is going to be fun. Yeah. Okay, I'll bring you guys back here in a minute. This is going to be so much fun. Okay guys, so you can see me with my hood up, and my hood up is not for aesthetics. I've actually thrown all my oil. I've got the Baxter oil converter on here, and I've had to take the oil filter off. There it is right there. And I've blown a seal down there. Camera focus down here. Yeah, I'm not happy. So it was really rattling really hard, so I think it's the O-ring that's blown, but I got somebody going down to Bailey to go and get me some tools and some oil and strip this down, and hopefully once I put oil in it and everything, and hopefully we'll be okay. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, all right, meet you back here in a bit guys. Sorry, I'm all over the place right now. I'm kind of a little bit pissed, but yeah, I've got oil leaking all down onto the floor. And yeah, I'm not happy about this. So yeah, I'll be giving Baxter a call here first thing Monday morning and seeing what's going on, because I've done this per instructions, and it looks like the oil has come out of the side bit. Where the oil ring is, it goes onto the existing oil cooler. I've managed to undo the Allen key that's back there. It was bloody tight. I can't see any other place where it would be leaking right now, but that's basically what we got going on. So stay tuned. I hope I get out of here. I heard a whole heap of rattling, so that's kind of really concerning. So yeah, all right guys, see you here in a bit.